Today is about the birds and the bees. Check it out. This here is where we started out with our bird feeder. It's just kind of sad. Not enough room for birds to really get around. So we're going to fix that up. Now, I'm not a welder, but I know somebody that owns them. This is my grandson, Gavin. He's the guy that I know that owns a welder. So let's get this going. Alright, let's do a V-pan for our bird feeder. So, I've got a piece of rebar, 10 feet. So, I want to cut off 7 feet. That's going to be the post part of it. Then this remaining 3 feet, I'm going to cut 18 inches, and then I think a 2-inch piece, and then we'll see from there. So what I want to do, we got those dimensions. So we'll have our 7 feet, and then I'm going to take that 18-inch piece, a little bit from the top, 18 inches, and then we'll weld that on there. Little 2-inch piece to drop down here, and then I'll have it little hook that'll weld up there, and then we can set that bird feeder right in there to hang down. And we'll take a piece of this remaining 3 feet, half of that, minus 2 inches, probably minus an inch, so minus 3 inches, so 18 minus 3, 15 inches. We'll probably take a 12-inch piece. We'll put a brace here, probably put a little brace there, just to make it look good. And then here's where our bird feeder will hang down. Bird feed. Little birds flying around. Bob's your uncle. So I got this for the bees. Now I suppose you could make something like that, but I really don't have any scraps around this size or something like that. This was $10, nine, you know, and some change, so $10. So, and I wouldn't be able to find all this stuff. We do have some bamboo and stuff, but I don't think I could make it for much less than that. So we picked this up. Now this is for mason bees and what we call leaf cutter bees. This isn't for bumblebees, honeybees, because they live in a swarm. These bees do not live in a swarm. So they'll do a lot more pollination. So I've just got to find the right spot to put it. So I think I'm going to try and put our little bee house right here, because it says to put it where it gets some morning sun, keep it out of the rain, and I think if it's tucked up under there, might keep the rain off of it pretty well. So let's see how this goes. Take two. Does anybody else have that much trouble just to put a screw in? That's how you take care of your bees. Check that out. Looking good. Just like the pros. I don't know if we'll paint it. We'll see how this looks after a while. We might paint it. Here we go. Thanks to Gavin. One more project done. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.